Minna no Nihongo Lesson 21 Part 1 Vocab. First, omoimasu. Think. Ashita wa tomodachi ga ai ni kuru to omoimasu. I think my friend may come to meet me tomorrow. Second, imasu. Say. Sensei ga ashita wa yasumi desu to imashita. The teacher said tomorrow is holiday. Third, kachimasu. Win. Taro-chan no chimu ga kachimashita. Taro's team won. Fourth, makimasu. Lose, be beaten. Watashi no chimu ga makete surai desu. My team lost and hence we feel frustrated. Fifth, arimasu. Omatsuri ga. A festival be held take place. Konban natsu matsuri ga arimasu. The summer festival will take place in this evening. Sixth, yakuni tachimasu. Be useful. Eigo o manabu no ga yakuni tachimasu. It will be useful to learn English. Seventh, ugoki masu. Move, work. Jido hanbai ki jidoteki ni ugokimasu. Vending machine operate automatically. 8. Yamemasu. Kaisha o. Quit or retire from a company, stop, give up. Raishu kara kaisha o yamemasu. I will quit my work from next week. 9. Ki o sukimasu. Pay attention, take care. Ki o sukete kairi nasai. Be careful on your way home. 10. Ryugaku shimasu. Study abroad. Watashi wa Nihon ni ryugaku shitai desu. I want to study in Japan. Grammar point. First, plain form to omoimasu. The subject or judgment expressed with omoimasu are indicated by the particle to. This sentence pattern is used in the following ways. First, when expressing conjectures. Example, Ashita ame ga furu to omoimasu. I think it is going to rain tomorrow. To express a negative conjunctive, the clause before to is put in the negative. Example, Mira-san wa konna nyusu o shittemasu ka? Iie shiranai to omoimasu. Has Mr. Miller heard that news? No, I don't think he has. Second, when starting an opinion. Example, Nihon ni okka ga takai to omoimasu. I think that prices in Japan are high. When someone asking opinion about something, the expression ni suite do omoimasu ka is used without putting to after the do. Example, Atarashi kuko ni suite do omoimasu ka? Kirei desu ga chotto kotsu ga fuben da to omoimasu. What do you think about the new airport? I think it's lovely, but it's a bit hard to get to. Grammar point. Second, sentences plain form to imasu. The particle to is used to report speech. There are two ways of doing this. First, when reporting speech directly, it is repeated word for word. In writing, the words are placed inside square brackets. Example, Neru mae ni o yasumi nasai to imasu. We say good night before going to bed. Second, when reporting speech indirectly, the plain form is used before to. Example, Nira-san wa Tokyo e shucho suru to iimashita. Mr. Miller said that he would be going to Tokyo on business. The tense of the quoted sentence is not affected by the tense of the main sentence. The particle ni is used to indicate the person spoken to. Haha ni ryugaku shitai to iimashita. I told my father that I want to study abroad.